Hi, my name is Lloyd Jason D. Garcia, 22 years old, with a college degree of Hotel and Restaurant Management. I am applying for a training program, preferably in a food and beverage position, whichever best qualifies me with my education, training, and experiences. I would describe myself as professional, who is easy to get along with, hardworking, efficiently player, and self-motivated and dedicated person, and also I'm a quick learner who enjoys learning good things. I developed my skill by acquiring different trainings concerning to hospitality industry, immersing myself to the culture of work, and practicing work ethics which will be a future thought for me. I also developed my communication skill and guest relation skill through hands-on trainings like housekeeping, bartending, and food and beverage. Last year, I participated summer work and travel in the United States of America for about 4 months. During my work experience at McDonald's, I was assigned in the kitchen and as a cashier in the front, and at the back drive for drive-thru responsible for greeting and giving quality service to the customer, safe food preparation. Proper customer handling and maintaining the cleanliness of the area are some of my duties. Through this experience, I developed my speaking abilities to communicate in English and I was able to enhance all aspects of dealing with other people. Currently, I am employed as waiter, receptionist in Beijing Opera Restaurant, a full dining authentic Chinese cuisine restaurant. If you are looking for a motivated individual and always ready for new challenges, here I present my qualities and experiences. I am willing to learn and train more. Thank you.